In this video, we are going to see how we can use BigQuery APIs to get top 100 about to graduate Let's Bong.fun tokens. So let's go to the docs.bitquery.io and then navigate to V2 docs and then navigate to L1 chains. Under that, select Solana chain, and under that, you will find Let's Bong.fun API page. On the sidebar, you need to go to top 100 about to graduate Let's Bong.fun tokens API. You can check out the whole API here by just expanding this box. So this is going to be our whole API. So if you need to test the API, just click on this here button and it will take you to the IDE of the BigQuery. So on this IDE.bitquery.io, you will need to sign up first and you will get free 10,000 points for the first month for testing purposes. So now as we have opened the query on the IDE, I will explain it to you in the brief. You can find the popular queries here and the streams here, and this is a custom query builder, and you can use the custom query builder to customize this query even further or remove the fields you don't need. So to get the top 100 about to graduate Let's Bong.fun tokens, we need to basically understand the essence of the graduating tokens graduate when they reach 100% bonding curve progress, right? So we need to get the top 100 tokens with the descending order of their bonding curve progresses. If you scroll up, you will find a bonding curve progress formula in this documentation. The bonding curve progress formula is 100 minus balance minus 206 million into 100 divided by 793 million. So the balance here is basically the raw liquidity amount which is present at the market address. So we just need to get the pool liquidity where these tokens are getting traded. So let's Bong.fun tokens are traded on Radium Launchpad. So we have used here DexPools API. The balance value at the market address can vary from 206 million to a billion because every Let's Bong.fun token launched on Radium Launchpad has a total supply of 1 billion initially, and then the tokens are sold, and when the liquidity or the balance of the market address for that specific token reaches 206 million from 1 billion value, then the token is graduated. So we need to get those liquidity pools where the tokens liquidity amount is greater than 206 million value. We have selected here DEX program address as well. This is the Radium Launchpad address. So base currency is going to be the currency that we need, basically the top 100 tokens, it's Bong.fun tokens, and we have limited our code currency mint address to Sol and native Sol. And we have also selected the filter transaction result success true because we don't want any failed transactions. And we need to put one more filter here, which is block time since filter. We need to select this timestamp to a 5 minute ago timestamp. So now we have gotten the top 100 tokens which are about to graduate. We have selected the fields here, basically the currency details of the base currency and the code currency, also the market address, which is nothing but the pair address. Also selected the DEX details. We need to get the latest pool change for each token. So that's why we've added here in the brackets maximum block. Now all of the details will be latest details after the latest liquidity change. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.